Hey guys, before we start today's video, today's footage is actually recorded on my brand new 5K camera. I did a test on it. I will leave the link for that down in the description, you guys. So let's get right down to it and let's get to plane spotting. Enjoy the video, guys. What's up here? Alaska Embraer. It doesn't say where he's going to, so what? Look at, there's another cute one over there. There he goes. Bye. Alright, Alaska 1175 going to Great Falls. Alright, so little Alaska going to Great Falls. Should take off any second here. There we go. Turkish 787-9 going to Istanbul. Freaking huge. Oh, and there's an Alaska right there. There's another Alaska too. Just waiting on him. There he goes. Bye, Turkish Airlines.
Oh, Alaska, get out of the way.
Get out of the way, Alaska. Cool. Super cool, dude. There he goes. Right there. Super cool, dude. Look at this guy. Can I see him up there? He's right around that area. Oh, there's the Sun Country. Look at that. Oh, here comes something. There's an Alaska 737-900 from LAX. There he is. Right. Sun Country Airlines 737-800 going to Minneapolis. Yeah, there he goes. Bye, Sun Country Airlines going to Minneapolis. Look at that big Delta too. Holy cow. Hi. Alright. Delta 737-900 going to Salt Lake City. You guys see him? There he goes. That was cool. We saw two planes, two 737s. Southwest 737-7Q8 from Sacramento. There he is. Southwest 737-7Q8 from Sacramento.
Oh my god, he's so cute.
There he is. Nice. Guys, I'm not sure if you can see him too well. He's kind of right there. There's a little tiny private plane. You guys see him on camera? I'm not sure if you can see him too well or not. There's one over there too. Little private plane going to Rochester. Cessna 550 Citation 2. Bye, little guy. Oh, it's loud. Goodness. Small but loud. So freaking loud. There he goes. Oh, and there's a Delta too. You guys see him? And he's got, there he is. United Max 8 from Newark. There he is. Delta 737-800 going to Anchorage here. It's a little hard. Look at, there's the Korean Air, guys. Woo! He's massive! Alright, Delta 737-800 going to Anchorage. Goes.
Oh, look at this!
It's huge! There goes that Delta. Oh my gosh.
It's gonna be so loud.
That Korean Air 777-300 right there. It's going to Seoul. Alright, here we go. Oh, there's another one. Oh, it's a Delta A330. Look at Delta A330. Alright, here goes Korean Air.
Is he a cargo one or
There he goes. Bye. Oh, that might be a Delta. Yeah, that's a Delta A330. Woo. This big guy. Big old Delta 330-900 Neo going to Amsterdam here. E175 too. I hear another one out there. There he goes. Bye. Cute little Alaska out there too. Alaska E175 going to Portland next year. Oh yeah, now they're getting loaded up. Look at, I see 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh look at, you see the Delta out there. Woo! You can see them taking off in the distance. You see the Delta taking off in the distance there. Oh, there's another Alaska lining up too. Another Alaska. Oh no, it's a United. Yeah, a United. Looks like a Max. Cute plane taking off. Bye. All right, United Max 8 going to Newark. Where is he? There he is. Going to Newark. Oh, there's another Alaska. He goes. Bye. And that Alaska also looks like a Max. There he goes. Bye. That's cool. Oh, look at, that's cool. That shot of that Alaska up here. There he is. He's so cute. Cute little guy. And then I think that Alaska over there is gonna take off. I'll show you. Alaska should take off any second. Look at all the planes, dude. Oh, there goes that Alaska, I think. Oh, there he is. Landing. That was cool. There we go. Alaska Max 9 going to Kilauea, Kona. Little Delta Embraer right there. Alright. There he goes. Oh, that's a high pitch spool up. There goes another one. Another little Delta. It's a 737 Alaska 737-900 extended range going to Fort Lauderdale. Oh, there's a Delta 737-800. I forgot where he came in from. Oh, look at, there's a Delta Embraer lining up. West Airline 737 MAX 8 from Midway.
Holy cow, he's loud.
There he is. Lots of Southwests today. That's the second one. The first one was a cute one, though. There he is. Should get a pretty good landing view of him over here. There he is. Oh, sorry. That's big. Whoa, right behind us. Delta A330-900 Neo from Seoul. Here we go. Now we're talking, buddy. Oh, yeah. I'm going to zoom out a little. There he is.
Engines whistling.
Nice approach, nice approach. There he goes. Oh, butter. Woo! Nice. No, that one going to Fort Lauderdale is over there. There he goes. So 37,900 extended range. Oh my gosh, that's loud. Jeez Louise. Crikey, mate. That's loud. Right? There he is. He's a cute one. Oh, there he is. That's cool. There he is.
Oh, nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen monoxide, not Spirit Airlines.
There he is. You guys see that 757 out there? That's a big old plane. Oh, Dash 8. Air Canada Dash 8 from Vancouver. Alright. There he goes, finally! And look at this, that A321 Neo right there. Whoa, there's a big one! You guys see that big one? Probably. Got a Delta A320-300. There he is from Denver, I believe. I think he's from Denver. There he is. Here we go. This is a big one, you guys. You guys see him out there? There he is. Yep, in all his glory. There he is. Woo! There he is from Shanghai.
Yes, we're back.
Like a stork! Here he comes. There he is. Is he gonna butter? Let's see. Oh, that was hard. Ooh, that was a hard landing. Jeez. Oh, there's another one that just landed too. Nice. Oh, this guy's coming on this runway. It's a little Alaska Embraer from Walla Walla. Here he comes from Walla Walla.
Oh, he's coming on this runway. They're waiting for that one to land.
Yeah, they're probably waiting for this guy to land. Here he comes. There he is. Oh, nice flare. Oh, that was butter. Wow, nice. There's the Alaska UNCF livery from San Jose. Alright, look at this big guy, you guys. Woo! The big old Air France. That big one right there. See him off. There he goes. Woo! France. Woo!
Oh, it's huge.
Air France A350-900.
Keep on going. Oh, it's huge.
Look at that guy. Woo! Wow, that's a huge plane. There's a really big one back there, guys. I can't show you it too well, but. Alright. Air France A350-900 going to Paris. There he goes, taking off. Oh, this is a really big one.
might have to wait in this line when if you go on an airplane. So sit on this side spot for
That was cool. Delta A330-900 Neo from Taipei. There he is. Woo! Holy cow, he's big. He's pretty low, yeah, look at that. You hear the engines? Engines are whistling so much. Here he comes. There he is.
Aaron, did you hear his engine whistling?
There he is. And touchdown. Nice.
Aaron, did you hear his engine whistling?
That was cool. Alright guys, we're gonna move to another spot. Alright guys, we're at the next spot here. Now some of you might recognize this spot. We have been here in the past. And we've seen some pretty cool planes here. This is actually the spot where I saw my first 747 ever. So we're gonna play spot here for a bit. I think we might see a Condor A330. There's not much else coming in that's interesting and departing rather. But we'll see what happens. Let's give it a shot, guys. Alright. Here we go. Alaska 737 MAX 9 from Alaska MAX 9 from Salt Lake City. There he is. From Salt Lake City. There he is. Alaska 737 MAX 9 from Juneau.
Alaska.
That was pretty cool, you guys. There he is. Oh, he was waving side to side like, there he is, the banana plane, again. 2 banana planes!
No, not Spirit again.
Spirit Airlines. Cool. There he is. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see the delivery. There he is. That's a cool livery. I love those Disney liveries. He's like 2 points away. The Alaska E175 LR from Yakima. I'm actually gonna zoom. Really cute. There he is. He's a cute one. Cute plane.